Hey everyone, I'm Marc Sievers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you may notice things look a little different around here. I'm in a brand new space and I have so many new recipes coming your way, different ways of entertaining, setting a table, arranging flowers. I'm feeling really inspired and I hope to inspire you at home. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you hit the little notification bell so you're notified of new videos as soon as they post. In the meantime, head over to marcsievers.com for more recipes and entertaining ideas until new videos start to post right here. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.